there guys, it's Jake here at John & Bikes and welcome to the video on this Kawasaki Versys 650. So here it is, it's a 2015 on a 15 plate with 12,060 miles on it. And as you can see, proper head turner, stands out from the crowd, finished in this lovely bright yellow colour scheme. Colour coded panniers on there as well. It is a bit different, this one. Comes with that really nice light smoke screen on the front. You've got power sockets on there. You've also got the hand guards as well, which is really nice. Makes the world of difference, especially for them longer journeys. Half digital, half analog display. Also comes with that Zoom sat-nav preparation kit. Really cracking bike, really good engines at a 650. It's got the Lust Racing Loring kit on it already as well. And they can also be restricted down to an A2 license if needed. But if you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.